Ooh!
Oops, sorry.
That's good.
I'll do it gently. Alon, you're a drummer. That doesn't use a traditional drum set to play the drums. What do you use instead?
I use a thing I invented with Mark Haverliv called the AirSticks that allow me to play drums in space basically without hitting anything, and allows me to morph sounds and move them around a room and filter them. Basically use all the possibilities of a laptop, but with the physicality of a drum kit. We use these controllers, gaming controllers, and we repurpose them to create all these different sound worlds basically through moving and gesturing in certain ways.
What was your original idea, or how did your idea evolve?
My collaboration with Mark started in 2003. We explored a lot of different hardware devices to track my movement. We tried cameras, we tried exoskeleton, and finally we landed on a gaming controller. So it was really nice to have this idea before the technology really existed. So for the last 5-6 years we've settled on this gaming controller, but we've always thought of it as a prototype because we want to design our own hardware that's more like a musical instrument and less like a gaming controller.
Tell us about that hardware. Where are you up to and what are the prototypes looking like?
The prototypes are looking better and better. We've got access to 3D printers that we keep trying to do on the cheats. Really interesting to try to figure out what weight it should be and how long it should be. We're trying to make a more modular system now so that we can prototype a bit more rapidly and just get out there and having new people use it.
And what advice have you got for others who are looking to create some incredible tech?
My advice would be, to collaborate, to surround yourself with interested people, learn from them as much as you can, because not all of us can code in C++, but we can understand the possibilities and understand some of the language and some of the processes that go into doing it.
Hello, my name is Ben. That is so cool.
Bit of fun.